nature, the one true healer. Sacred woman, healing thyself.
Greetings. Greetings, beautiful ones. From your Empress Malia Seba the First. And today, I'm not sure if you all are seeing the things that I'm seeing. If you should pause this video and try to read what this message is on the moringa tree. You can leave what you think you saw or what you see, what you actually see, the numbers, the shapes, the figures, etc. And in the comment section, and I will be sure to check them all. All right, so as we are transitioning from 2020 plenty for me, to 2021, the year of focus and the year of reaping, I just want to remind us going forward to always give thanks. Always give thanks. I just can't over exaggerate it enough, right? And my mother is most definitely agreeing with me. Now look at this tree. Just look at this, to the background and everything. This is beautiful. This is a work of art. Only a true creator. Pata pata. Hey, this is just beautiful. Remember to always be grateful. And above all, remember to always say thank you. 2 words that are so easy. You have nothing to lose. You have more to gain and nothing to lose. Just say thank you. Thank you is enough. Thank you for a little bit. Thank you for nothing. Thank you for a small portion. Thank you for a lot. I'm not sure if, as I said before, I'm not sure if anybody's actually seeing what I'm seeing, like the trees and so on, especially in the moringa tree right now. But if you do, you can, as I said, leave it in the comment section. People, brethren, sisters, royalties, let me tell you something. Life is just too easy when we get it. When you figure out this puzzle, it is just too easy. Stay meditated, stay medicated, stay hydrated. Watcha, I'm telling no lie. Like, the wind is literally, you can speak for me, of course, go ahead, of course. This is how we do things around here. Yes, okay, show them what I'm talking about. Okay, say no more. Calm down a little bit, 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 calm down a little bit. All right, I could just go back to the real truth. Listen to me. Life is just too easy when you actually get it. It is just too easy. It is just too easy. Stay motivated. Motivation is like water. You drink water, you're going to need more. You're going to need it every day. You have to get it every day. It's not a one-off motivation. Find the right kind of set of people to motivate you to move forward. If you're in the wrong crowd, switch up your crowd. Delete some numbers. Stay motivated. You need to be motivated to achieve. You need to be motivated for achieve some upward mobility in some sense, in whichever area. If you're at the same place where you started out last year, trust me, you never do no work. So hear what I say. Growth is inevitable. I am sure we all know that we're not born and look the same way right now. So if you are still at the same place after a year, something is wrong and you need to switch up something. Okay? Stay meditated. Stay meditated. Stay meditated. Take a little 5, go somewhere under one tree like me now, and just stay meditated. Take a 5 minutes and talk to yourself. That's the best talk you can ever have. Is the one you actually do with yourself. Okay? Stay meditated. Whatever form of meditation that you know, you can always do that. And if you are new to meditating, try to find a way that you're comfortable with. There are so many different ways to actually stay meditated. It is your preference. It is as long as you are achieving that goal. Am I not right? Okay, yeah. The breeze is actually saying that I am right. I am right. Because there is no one way. Right? And there's no better way. There are different ways. No better than. We are not dealing with the better than. Okay? So, right. And the breeze, again, agrees. Okay. Yeah, stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. And if you can get some lime in your water, some cucumber in your water, do that. Keep some lime water in your fridge. Garlic water if you're sick. Yeah, the breeze is agreeing again. Some cucumber water, but stay hydrated. And as many times as possible, drink enough water. Stay hydrated. Water go in your system and I get absorbed right away, immediately. So, a good something. Put some lime in there, get some garlic in there. You can create your own water, your own different ways, depending on the purpose that you want it for as well. For persons who are trying to open their chakras and they must stay hydrated at the same time, you can always use fruits, different color fruits for the different solar plexuses that you're trying to, I said solar plexus a while ago, for the different chakral points, sorry, that you're trying to open. Somehow maybe my solar plexus won't open, I'm not sure. What do you say, Breeze? Really? What you? I see you something this. I'm gonna end the video now and fix that. That need to fix. Yeah, that needs to fix. So give thanks for the journey. Oops. Stay hydrated. Stay meditated. Stay medicated. Drink your tea and your regular this and your regular that. You know how it is. You know it's done. I'm your Empress Malia Seba the First. And from my little beautiful picturesque view to you, I send you love, light, eternal blessings, prosperity, waves of abundance. And I send to you the divine source. So ask, believe, and receive. From me to you, with a heart of love.